Today, we're covering a very short video of Shirdi railway station under the Great Indian Railways. Let's get started. The nighttime auto rickshaw ride to Shirdi railway station is truly pleasant and peaceful. The railway station looks absolutely stunning in the crisp cold climate, with temperatures around 10 degrees. Auto rickshaw fares from most hotels to the railway station are typically around 100 rupees. Shirdi, Saingar Shirdi railway station was inaugurated in 2016 to serve Sai Baba devotees and currently operates with 4 platforms. Trains from Shirdi connect directly to major cities including Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Delhi, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Jaipur, Nagpur, Nanded, Vishakhapatnam and Secunderabad. The locomotive is being prepared to begin its journey. The locomotive is halted right beside the Shirdi name board. Presently, we are on platform number 1 at Shirdi railway station. This platform is conveniently located near the main entrance, food court, and key passenger amenities. As we move across the foot-over bridge, the panoramic view of the railway tracks below is truly captivating. The illuminated platforms and stretching lines create a beautiful nighttime railway station. Shirdi, Saingar Shirdi railway station is a modern, well-planned terminal designed to handle heavy pilgrim traffic efficiently. Its architecture blends contemporary railway design with devotional elements, featuring wide platforms, spacious concourses, clean amenities, and clear signage to ensure a smooth experience for devotees and travelers alike. The view of the tracks and trains below is a visual treat for any rail fan. Watching locomotives glide under the lights makes the scene truly mesmerizing. Thank you for watching this short video. We'll be back soon with another exciting one. Stay tuned.